Hi Katia designers, I'm Arash, and today we're going to talk about a wonderful tool named Spline. This is a great tool. We don't know how to use it, but it's really helpful. It's really going to help us on our designs. So the first thing first, we want to make some points right here. But before that, you really need to learn about point, line, and plane. First of all, we want to make points in 3D directions. The first thing first, the spline I wanted to talk about is this spline, not the spline on the sketch. Right here we have, this is another spline, it's in a 2D dimensions, but we want to talk about 3D dimensions spline. First of all, we want to make a point on this plane, ZX plane, right here. Another point on this plane, right here. And we want to make an offset from this plane. We can change the direction, make bigger values, and we need to make another point right there. So we have three points. We can make spline. This is really simple spline, but it's not all about spline. This is really powerful tools. We have to know how to use it. It's really helpful. So that's not the things I wanted to say. The things I want to say is another thing. I want to make some line here on the angle / normal to curve. If you are in a point, you must change angle to normal curve. And first thing, this asks you about the curve. You can give z-axis for that, and he asks you for point. This is our point. For the supports, it automatically takes some planes. You can choose your plane manually. You can increase the amount of line here. You can make a value right here, and you can change the direction and change the angle of that. Here we have this angle. Okay, we make another line here like that one with z-axis, this point, and this support. You must not take that after. You must take a line, z-axis, this point, and if you choose that plane, it goes up to right here. We must select this support before that, and after that we select plane. So we can change the value here, make the angles right here, make whatever angle we wanted. So we have another line, z-axis, this point. You really remember to change the support here. We can change the angle value here too. So here we make another spline using the point and line, but really care about the direction of the line. If we choose the next one, point and line, this is the direction here. This direction is good, but the first one here, if you choose there, you can see the direction. Direction was not correct. It must see the next point. If you click on that, you can change the direction. And for the next point, before you click the next point, you must click on this. So this point will be add after that. Click this point and align to this line. So we have another wonderful spline here that is really different with that spline here. We choose this way. That is no matter in the direction of the line of the point. So here we can change on our spline by changing the direction of our points. You can see it. If we change this direction, this would be changed too. If we change this one, it will change in both directions. Another thing we have in our splines is our tensions. Tension is really important too, and it gives us the value of alignment with this line. Like this, in point 1, we have tension that's set on 1. If we want to increase that tension, we must click on there. Here, we increase this tension. If we increase the tension, the alignment with this line would be increased, and it gives us that the point 1 is going more important than the others. You see here? But if we decrease it less than 1, it will give us less importance on this here. If we set it on 1, it will be like this. If we change the value here, you can see this line goes really important, and before and after that point we have really aligned spline right there. The other ones are aligned too, but this one is most important, 3 times important, more important than the last one. So that's it. That's how spline works. We show you how to use it in many directions, in many situations, and follow our next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. Thank you.